gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
This is the OPPO Reno16 Pro. Last year's Reno15 Pro became a favorite for live stream photography thanks to its packed camera system. So, can the Reno16 Pro live up to that reputation? Let's find out.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from TechieStreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Design matters on a flagship, and OPPO knows it. This is the Blue Star Cave color. The silver frosted metal frame feels cool and premium, especially in summer. But the real highlight is the back panel. It has a planetary-style engraved texture that looks like a tiny planet trapped under the glass. Tilted under light, and you get a subtle 3D effect. It looks stunning and instantly stands out, though it does attract fingerprints. On the front, there's a 6.78-inch flat display with ultra-slim 1.15mm bezels. It feels sleek and immersive. Colors are vibrant, viewing angles are great, and brightness is strong, even outdoors. Add the 120 Hz refresh rate and ColorOS 16, and everything feels incredibly smooth and responsive. Now, the cameras. This is where the Reno16 Pro shines. OPPO has paid attention to every lens. All 4 cameras actually feel useful, even the ultra-wide, which many brands often ignore. The main camera uses a huge 200-megapixel sensor. Photos are sharp, detailed, and look fantastic whether you're shooting landscapes or people. Colors stay natural without looking over-processed, and because of the high resolution, you can crop later and still keep impressive detail. My favorite camera here is the 85mm isometric lens. Honestly, it's like a composition cheat code. The focal length is perfect for portraits, giving natural perspective, beautiful background blur, and excellent subject separation. It creates a cinematic look with very little effort. Since it's also a genuine telephoto lens, landscapes look sharp and detailed too. This camera also supports up to 120x zoom. Sure, quality drops at extreme zoom levels, but sometimes getting the shot matters more than pixel perfection. At night, though, the telephoto camera struggles a bit. Noise becomes more noticeable and details soften. For low-light photography, the main camera delivers much better results. The ultra-wide camera gets a serious upgrade too. OPPO uses a 50-megapixel sensor with 116-degree field of view. It's perfect for group shots and dramatic landscapes. Plus, distortion around the edges is surprisingly well controlled. OPPO also focused on selfies. The front camera is a 50-megapixel sensor and even includes a 0.6x ultra-wide option, making it great for solo shots or fitting more friends into the frame. If the hardware is the foundation, Live View mode is the heart of this phone's camera experience. It can automatically cut out backgrounds and extend moving subjects into the image, creating fun effects where people appear to interact inside the same photo. It's creative, addictive, and even exports in full 4K quality. That said, both features need some practice. You often have to manually adjust size, angles, and outlines to get the best results. When done right, the images look incredible, but beginners may find it challenging. Personally, I'd love to see OPPO add AI-powered one-tap generation in a future update. That would make these effects much easier for everyone. There's also a CCD flash effect inside pop mode. Combined with the NIST film and light leak filters, especially with live photos, you can create retro-style animated shots with a nostalgic vibe. They're fun, creative, and exactly the kind of effects younger users love. The video experience is impressive too. Turn on dual shot mode and the phone records with both the front and rear cameras at the same time, so you can capture the scenery and your real-time reactions together in one video. For travel vlogs, this is incredibly useful because everything is recorded in a single take with no extra editing needed. There's another fun trick with live photos. After taking them, you can slow them down inside the gallery. It makes your shots feel more interactive and adds a creative, dynamic touch that's genuinely fun to play with. That covers the cameras, so let's move to performance. Compared to last year's Dimensity 8450, this upgrade feels massive. OPPO has switched to the Dimensity 9500S, and you can feel the difference immediately. Daily performance is fast, smooth, and effortless. I also tested Genshin Impact with super resolution and super frame rate enabled. The visuals looked sharp and gameplay stayed extremely smooth. During a 20-minute session, frame rates remained near the top level almost the entire time, except for a few drops during loading screens and scene transitions. There are a couple of issues, though. Right now, super frame rate is limited to 90 FPS, whether that's due to software or compatibility reasons. Also, you can't enable super frame rate and super HDR together. It's disappointing, but hopefully future updates can fix this. Battery life is another major highlight. The 7,000 mAh Glacier battery is seriously impressive. I spent an entire day taking photos, using navigation, and watching videos, and when I got home, I still had around 20% left. That's the kind of battery life that gives you real confidence. Overall, I genuinely like the OPPO Reno16 Pro. In the 3,000 to 4,000 yuan segment, around £440 in the UK or $592 in the US, many phones try to do everything and end up feeling average. The Reno16 Pro takes a different approach. Instead of only chasing sharp photos, it focuses on making photography fun. It emphasizes creativity, emotion, and self-expression. Whether it's lossless 4K live photos, playful camera features, or the strong social sharing experience, everything feels built to make content creation easier and more enjoyable for young users. The goal is clear: make creativity simple and make fun a core part of the phone experience. It may not have the craziest specs on paper, but it could easily be one of the most stylish and trend-focused phones in this price range. More importantly, it truly understands how young people create, share, and express themselves online. If you love showing your personality on social media and want a phone that balances quality with individuality, the OPPO Reno16 Pro feels like a very unique option that's hard to replace. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!